The homework for today is Lesson 3.10, Critique Reasoning. In this lesson, you will use pictures, words, or equations to explain if you agree or disagree with someone's thinking about solving a problem. The first thing you have to do is read the problem. I'll do one example, and then you will complete the next 3 problems on your own for homework. So let's take a look. Number 1. Lydia has 10 pennies. This is important information. I always have to circle the number in the equation. John has 8 pennies. I'm going to circle this next number, 8. Now Sheila says John has 2 fewer pennies than Lydia because 10 minus 8 equals 2. Do you agree or not agree with Sheila? We need to look back at the problem. Let's go back to see, what did Sheila say? She said John has 2 fewer pennies than Lydia. Just right here, we can use this to see what is the problem, to see if Sheila's correct. How many pennies does Lydia have? It tells us right here. Lydia has 10 pennies. So that's why they drew 10 circles. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many pennies does John have? John has 8 pennies. Let's count if they drew 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this drawing is correct. Now, is it true that John has 2 fewer pennies than Lydia? 2 less pennies than Lydia? Well, we can just look right at our picture. We can make the pairs just as we did before and see how many are left over, and that would be the answer. 10 minus 8. How many are left over without a pair? 2. So 10 minus 8 equals 2. That is correct. I agree with Lydia. I'm sorry, with Sheila. I agree with Sheila. She is correct that John has 2 fewer pennies than Lydia. I'm going to write I agree. And notice how this is showing the work. You use pictures, then you write an equation to show that Sheila is correct, to show if you agree with Sheila. I'm not going to do number 1 with you completely, but I just want you to know that you need to read the problem carefully. I'll start it with you and then you'll do the rest by yourself. Number 1 says, Anna says that 7 plus 4 is equal to 3 plus 9 because both are equal to 11. Do you agree or not agree with Anna? So I know that this is one equation, this is another equation, and then it tells me that both are equal to 11. Is that true? Is 7 plus 4 equal to 11? You need to find that out. Is 3 plus 9 equal to 11? That's another thing you need to figure out. Maybe you'll use circles. Maybe you can even do it in your head. But you need to find the total, the sum of each of these equations. 7 plus 4 equals, and 3 plus 9. Once you figure that out, you can say, if you agree with Anna, that means both of these are equal to 11. If one is not equal to 11, then that means you do not agree. So you need to be able to write the answer to both of these equations and then say, do you agree? Are they both equal to 11? Please make sure to complete page 213.